Hey everyone, I'm Sifu Bodhi. Thank you for sharing your Qigong practice with me today. Well, today I wanted to do a nice, quick, and easy 10-minute morning program for vitality. And this one is specifically going to target our beginners. So, step the feet slightly wider than shoulder width, bend the knee, tuck the pelvis under, lift from the crown of the head. And with me, take a deep breath in. Visualize gathering white light all around the body as you breathe in, and as you breathe out, pulling it down, filling your body, melting all tension down into the ground. In 2, and melt. In 3, and melt. In 4, big belly, and melt. And in 5, and melt. Step your feet together. Place the hands on the knee, gently rotating the knees. Nice big rotation. Keep the pinky, big toe, heel evenly on the floor. Switch directions. Beautiful. Step the feet slightly wider than shoulder width. Lock the knee, roll the hip. Switch directions. Good. Hands on the chest. We're going to gently roll the upper body around. Switch directions. Beautiful. One at a time. Roll the shoulder. Really exaggerate the movement. Let the arm hang. Just roll the shoulder. Good. Switch directions. Really big. Beautiful. And both arms, big circles. And switch directions. Now relaxing the arm, let's move through the elbow, rolling inwards. And switch. And now the wrist, fanning inwards. and fanning out. And now half circle with the neck, rolling gently. Beautiful. And now, anchoring your feet, twisting at the waist, allow the arms to completely relax and twist. Sinking into the knees. Beautiful. Now from here, just bending from your knees, I want your whole upper body, in fact your whole body, to relax, and just bouncing from the knee, I want you to let everything shake. Totally relax, all the bounce coming from the knee. And then we're going to gently turn left and right. No pressure. Allow all the tension to come out of your shoulders and your arms. Shaking up that chi. Beautiful. Back to center. Now our bounce is going to allow our arms to swing. So we're going to swing up. Totally relax. Loose arms. Allow the legs to generate the movement. The bounce lets them swing down. Beautiful. Now we're going to go side to side. Swinging, swinging. Allow the opposite foot to rotate. Breathing out as you stretch. One more each side. Good. Breathing in. Step the right foot behind. Breathing out. Arch and stretch. Feel that stretch all the way down that lateral aspect. Breathing in, shift. Breathing out, step and stretch. Feel that stretch. Good. Coming back to center, feet stepping in. Cleansing breath, deep breath in and out. Turning 45 right, gather and out. 45 left and out. For 90 right and out. 90 left. One more time, out to the side. Gather the light. And pulling it down, melting over your body. At the bottom, raise a little wisdom water of the kidney. At the heart, turn over and wash down the heart fire. Take a moment. Feel the changes. Allow the body to settle. And once again, vital and ready for the day. Thanks so much for watching. You can use this program whenever you like. You got 10 minutes in the morning. Start your day off right with a little Qigong. Remember, self-health care is the best health care. Thanks for watching.